Hi, I'm Daphne from the EOS team. On behalf of my team, I'll be presenting the EOS CaMS Canteen Management System. When the application is first installed, the system will prompt the user to enter the first user. Now, I'll start by creating the first user. This user will be the super admin who will oversee the administrators and perform admin duties when necessary. I'll begin this demonstration with the super admin. The difference between super admin and admin is that the super admin can perform additional functions of managing admin. The super admin will be able to create admin. After creating, now I'll enter the data and upload the photo. And click on the submit button. The creation is successful. The admin is also able to update. The super admin is also able to update the admin. First, click on the retrieve button to retrieve a list of all the admins that is created. Next, select the admin to be updated and edit the information accordingly. The update is successful. Next, I will proceed to introduce the admin features. I will log in as admin. The admin will be able to manage canteen. New canteens can be created by entering the canteen details. The canteen details will include the number of stalls to be created. In the case that the number of stalls increases in an existing canteen, the super admin can also add additional stalls to the canteen. He can do so by clicking on the canteen ID and type in the number of stalls to be added. Secondly, the admin will be able to create store owners. When creating the store owners, the admin will assign the store to the store owner. Now I'll enter the data and upload the picture. And upload the supporting document. And click the submit button. The store owner is successfully created. After creating the store owner, the admin can also retrieve the store owners. By default, all store owners will be loaded. However, the admin can use the search engine to search by first name, last name, NRIC, or handphone number. For this example, I will be searching by using the first name. Updating the store owner could be done by clicking on the store owner record. After changing all the data, and click on the update button, the record is successfully updated. Thirdly, the admin will be able to check the accounts payable. Account payable is the amount that was transacted using our CaMS system. In this function, the admin will check the amount to be paid to the store owners every month. Next, I will proceed to introduce the store owner features. Now I'll log in as store owner. The difference between store owner and cashier is that store owner can perform additional functions of managing cashier, view transaction log, and view transaction report. the store owner will be able to create cashier. Now enter the data and upload a photo of the cashier. After clicking the create button, the cashier is successfully created and his or her cashier ID is displayed. Other than creating a cashier, the store owner can also update the cashier. First, select the cashier to be updated and edit the information accordingly. And click on the update button, and the record is successfully updated. Next, the store owner will be able to view transaction log. In this function, the store owner will be able to choose how the transaction log is being displayed, either by yearly, monthly, or daily. On top of that, the display view can also be printed. Other than printing it in a hard copy, for this demo purpose, we will be printing it in a soft copy. This is the printed version of the transaction log. The store owner can also view transaction report. This function is essentially the same as viewing a transaction log, except that it shows a summary of the store for the transaction amount, but either by yearly or monthly. This report can also be printed. This is a soft copy view of the transaction report. Next, the store owner will be able to create menu. When creating the menu, the store owner has the option of choosing if the menu has a promotion or discount. So if you click on the discount, you can enter the discount description and the percentage. Now I'll upload the picture for the discount and create the discount. And after clicking on the submit button, and before that we will include the picture of the menu and click on the submit button. Other than creating the menu, the store owner can also update the menu. First, the store owner click on the menu that he or she wants to change and edit the respective fields. And click on the update button, and the menu is successfully updated. Next, I'll proceed to introduce the cashier features. To view the store menu item, the cashier can click on the retrieve menu. After clicking on the menu item, the details of the menu will be displayed at the right side of the screen. Next, the cashier will be able to create transactions. By clicking on the menu item displayed on the left, it will be added to the cart list displayed on the right. After confirming the order, the cashier can click on the proceed button to process the payment. The cashier will now scan the customer's card to finish the payment process. After the record has been successfully inserted to the system, The payment result details will be displayed and the cashier can choose to print out this receipt for the customer. For this demo purpose, we will do a print preview. This is the receipt. Thirdly, the cashier is able to void transaction. The cashier will have to key in the transaction ID to search for the transaction to be void. The cashier will see all the transaction details and confirm that this is the transaction that he or she wants to void, and click on the confirm key to void this transaction. The transaction has been successfully void. Last but not least, the card user features. If the card user is a faculty member, staff or student, the card user will use the matriculation card to purchase food. Otherwise, the card user will be able to purchase the top-up card to purchase food. By clicking on the Buy Prepaid Card button, non-members can purchase new prepaid card. The row of money at the bottom is to simulate the insertion of cash notes. After inserting the correct amount, the user can click on the confirm button. And the user will have successfully purchased a new card, and the card will be dispensed from the machine. Both members and non-members will be able to check balance and top up their cards. After clicking on the top up and check balance, the user will have to place the card on the card reader. This screen will show the balance, and if the user wants to top up, he will just insert the notes in. After inserting the note, he or she will click on the confirm button, and the card is successfully topped up, and the user can remove the card from the reader. Thank you.